Hello again YouTube, 8-Bit Cards back here again with my tutorial for the card trick, the Fantabolous Aces. So what you're going to need to pull out are the 4 aces, a 7 and 8 of the same suit, and 10 to king in one suit. And the aces are going to go in the order of clubs, hearts, diamonds, spades, right here. And then what you're going to do with your king, this is just the setup, then what you're going to do with the king is you're going to have the king on top, then queen, then a random card, and the jack, then 3 random cards, and a 10. So king, queen, random card, jack, 3 random cards, 10 of one suit, place that on top. Then what you're going to do is turn the deck over, count on 13 cards, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And then what you're going to do is you're going to put the 8 in first, and then the 7, because you're going to end up taking the 7 away, and you don't want to make it look like something's changed. So in the 14th position is the 7, and the card behind should go with an 8, but you don't have to. You can place those cards on top of that, turn the deck over, and then you just put the aces on top. So then what you're going to do is you're going to bring out the aces, and you're going to turn over the deck. And you should be telling a story while you do this. But what you're going to do is you're going to count off 9 cards, turn them over and square them up, because you want to make the move consistent. Put them down here. Then you're going to take 4 cards, and then you come to the 7. Now you want to catch a pinky break under the 7. Because when you turn them over, turn those 4 cards over, you want to steal away the 7. So you should have a 7 right there. Then what you're going to do is you're going to count off 11 cards. You turn them over, square them up, put them down here, and the rest of the cards just go behind the ace of spades. So you should have 9 behind clubs, 4 and the 7 behind hearts, 11 behind diamonds, and the rest behind the spades. Then what you're going to do is you're going to say that the aces were hidden, and then what you want to do is you want to put the first ace, the ace of clubs, into the 3rd position. You want to put it, when you bring out the cards, you want to have 2 cards then put it in. Then what you're going to do is you're going to have the ace of hearts go on top, right there. And then you're going to put the ace on the pile that had the ace of clubs. And then put that pile on top. And you put the ace of diamonds on, put it on top, spades, and on top. Then what you can do is you can do some false cuts. Do another one. And then you're going to tell them that when you spread the cards out, there will be a magic indicator card. Now that's why the 7 was placed like that, so it could be right there. Then what you're going to do is you're going to take those 4 cards and place them face up, right there. Now what the deck should look like is it should look like you have the 7 of hearts on top, and underneath that you have the ace of hearts. So what you want to do is catch a pinky break under those 2 cards and take both of them there. That's why these cards are going face up. So you take both cards. So you have the ace on the other side. Take both cards, place them down here, square them up. Then what you're going to do is count on 7 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the card will be an ace. Then you're just going to put those cards back on top, and you can say you found the first ace. Then you take these cards, turn them over. Then what you're going to do is, if you want, you can do another false cut. You can do whatever magic thing you like, a magic little rub, a twist. And then what you're going to do is spread the cards out, and the ace of hearts will turn over. That's why you had it behind that ace. Then what's really important is after the first 2 aces are out, you have to count 2 cards off the top and put them to the bottom. You can say 2 aces down, 2 to go. Then what you're going to do is you're going to spell the ace of diamonds. A-C-E-O-F-D-I-A-M-O-N-D-S. The ace of diamonds. So now what you're going to do is you're going to leave those cards, you're going to leave the cards that you took from the ace of diamonds, and you're going to put them down over here. Then what you're going to do is you're going to say you tried to find a magic indicator card, and there wasn't one. You tried to have the ace of spades turn over, and it didn't. Tried spelling it out, A-C-E-O-F-S-P-A-D-E, but it wasn't there. Now you see that's the 8 of hearts, which was actually the 15th card down. It just always ends up like that. Now after you spell out those cards, you need to put this pile over here, because really the ace of spades is actually the next card. So then what you're going to do is you are going to do this with the cards. You're going to out jog one and in jog them, just like this. Just like that. And then you're going to tear them off. And what you're going to do is what you have to start with an out jog, because then the in jogged pile you tear off and put down. And you do that again. Remember always to start with the out jog, and you tear off and you put the in jogged pile down, because you have to keep the ace in the out jogged pile the whole time. Now you do this one last time when you get down to 2 cards, and then you'll put this pile on top. Now what you do is you say that you have found the ace, but you also can say that you have found a royal flush. So that's the tutorial for Fantabulous Aces. I hope you like it. Please rate, comment, subscribe. See you next time.